When 3I Atlas was first detected, scientists were stunned. Its orbit didn't match any known pattern. Its speed, over 200,000 kilometers per hour, made it clear. This thing was not from here. At first, it behaved like a normal comet, releasing gas and dust as sunlight warmed its surface. But then, something changed. Its color shifted. Its brightness surged, 10 times faster than expected. And for a moment, it glowed in shades of green and blue never before recorded in an interstellar object. Was this just chemistry? Or was it something deeper? A signature written in light? To understand 3I Atlas, scientists compared it to its predecessors, Oumuamua and 2I Borisov. All three came from outside the solar system, but none behaved the same way. Oumuamua reflected sunlight like polished metal, then accelerated without explanation, as if pushed by something invisible. Borisov was almost textbook, a simple ball of ice and dust. And then came Atlas, unpredictable, alive, erratic. Every time telescopes locked onto it, new mysteries appeared. Energy spikes, color mutations, gas emissions that hinted at organic molecules, the same ingredients found in life. When 3I Atlas passed behind the Sun, it vanished. Telescopes lost all signal. For weeks, astronomers stared into silence, a void where the visitor once glowed. Some said it was destroyed, others whispered that it had changed. Then, it returned, brighter, bluer, and more energetic than before. NASA's solar observatories recorded the flare, but the data didn't fit any known model. It was as if the object had absorbed light and re-emitted it, like a cosmic echo. That's when the question began to spread again, the one that makes scientists uneasy. What if it's not just a comet? Some theorists suggest 3I Atlas might be a fragment of something ancient, a shard of material shaped in a distant galaxy. Others dare to imagine it as a probe, an artifact built by civilizations long gone, designed to drift endlessly, carrying data written in molecules. Of course, we don't know. We can't. But here's the beauty of it. Maybe that's the point. Maybe 3I Atlas is not a message to us, but a message about us, about our need to look up, to wonder, to listen to the universe when it whispers. Someday, 3I Atlas will vanish into the dark again, silent as it came. But its light will linger in our memory, the strange blue glow of a traveler from beyond the stars. So, as you look at the night sky tonight, ask yourself, was that comet just passing by? Or was it trying to tell us something we've forgotten how to hear? If the mysteries of the cosmos speak to you, stay with us, subscribe, and let the next whisper of the universe find you.